Welcome to BellyBreath, to this special Earth Day meditation, a time to connect with nature, express gratitude for our planet, and restore harmony within ourselves and the world around us. Earth provides us with everything we need: air to breathe, water to drink, and the beauty of nature to nourish our souls. Today, we take a moment to honor and appreciate this gift. Find a quiet space, preferably where you can feel close to nature. Near a window, outside in a garden, or simply imagining yourself surrounded by the beauty of the earth. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, grounding breath in. As you inhale, imagine drawing in the pure, fresh energy of the earth. As you exhale, release any tension, stress, or negativity, letting it dissolve like leaves floating down a gentle stream. Now bring your awareness to your body, feeling the connection between you and the earth. Imagine roots extending from the base of your spine or the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the soil, grounding you with stability and strength. Feel the earth's steady presence beneath you, supporting you, nourishing you. With each breath, visualize yourself absorbing the earth's energy, its vitality, its wisdom, its resilience. Let it fill you with peace and appreciation for all that this planet provides. Now silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations. I am deeply connected to the earth. I honor and respect the gifts of nature. I move in harmony with the world around me. Take a moment to send gratitude to the earth. Picture yourself walking through a lush forest, dipping your hands into a clear river. feeling the warmth of the sun or standing barefoot in the grass. Let yourself fully appreciate these moments and the simple, profound beauty of our planet. As you breathe in, imagine filling your heart with love for the earth. As you breathe out, visualize sending that love back through the ground, the water, the air, spreading kindness and care to the world around you. Now, set an intention for how you can show gratitude to the earth in your daily life. Maybe it's through mindful consumption, reducing waste, planting a tree, or simply spending more time in nature. Hold this intention in your heart. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch and open your eyes. Carry this sense of connection and gratitude with you, knowing that every small action makes a difference. Thank you for joining this Earth Day meditation. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, share, and subscribe to BellyBreath for more guided meditations. May we continue to honor and care for our beautiful planet today and every day.